So welcome to a quick unboxing of the Amazon delivery that just came in. This is so exciting. And here is the package. Let's see what this is. Look at this. It is my new tech bag. Inateck. Look at that. Comes nicely sealed. It's a nice size too. Beautifully packaged. Oh, and it comes with a little carry handle. That's very nice. Nice strong zippers. Oh, nice zipper action. Oh, let's look at that. All right. So it's a nice cloth cover. I like that it's a darker charcoal gray. That'll be really nice for traveling with, but not, doesn't show like the marks and the scruff so much. So it's got the woven in tough zipper, the YKK. That's an excellent zipper. And it's those types of things that make a quality product. And so here you see, just really nice. Okay, so we've got lots of space here, lots of space. So I'll be able to carry my Road Pro system in here. That'll fit right in here, no problem. My cables and things will be right here. And over here, I can put extra cables. I've got a spot here, and look, like everything is really nice. The seams are all nice and strong. They've reinforced the seams here where they end, so they've reinforced that there. They put a triangle, and that makes it stronger so that it's not a straight seam and it'll just rip. Can you see that right there, the triangle? That strengthens the seam, so it's really well made. It's got some cushioning to it. And it's got a zippered compartment, so if you're looking for a specific cable, you'll be able to find that one. I love it. It's going to be able to hold my phone chargers, my iPad charger, my Baltec, my thing with all the different things to charge my GoPro all at the same time. I'm impressed. I can't wait to start filling it. Inateck, great product. I love it. Carry and go, one-stop shop. You can drop that in your bag and you have everything you need right there. Love it, love it, love it.